Nice job. Nice job. This is Keola. As some of you already may know, when guys come to dance for me, I don't always remember their names. So I give them nicknames because that's supposed to help, not necessarily. Bully's been dancing with me now for over 20 years, and I call him Bully because his real name is Keola. When he has the opportunity to dance at Kahiko, I would like for him to do this song for His Majesty King David Laumea Kalakaua. Okay.
Ai, noe mai ka I ke aloha.
Ha.
Noe.
Noe mai ka I ke aloha, kau I hau kulai, tui via mia akmakani, kamai ka I lau na hinawai.
Noe.
Noe mai ka I ke aloha, kau I hau kulai, tui via mia akmakani, kamai ka I lau na hinawai. Pupu pa'a, tali mamo ki hana poko hei kana hele a he me ana he na I te ala, kala mai le o no hana ai.
Mehe kina.
A mehe kina na manu ka nene e kalau hau, aloha kumakaweli, ka hale pupu kani wau Ewana oe a halina loa I na hakili oe na pali na I malama ke ala popo I kalikola oa Hau ai na pali o makana I kawai au na loa e o e kawohi kukahi kala kawa hei no wala Hau ai na pali o makana I kawai au kana loa e o e kawohi kukahi kala kawa hei no ala
E no ke li kalako.
This is the part where I say, what's that?